we would proudly like to invite Padma Shri Professor Dr. Ajoy Kumar Ray, Director, JIS Institute of Advanced Studies and Research, to deliver the welcome address. Please, sir.
A very good morning to all the participants of this very important function on the auspicious morning of 1st February 2021. This program of JIS Samman is in honor of the founder of JIS Group of Institutes, Babuji Sardar Jodh Singh. To commemorate his 101st birth anniversary, the JIS Group, they have decided to observe this day by conferring JIS Samman to all those who have come up in life and who are still continuing to excel just in the principles of Babuji. You have seen the short video in which we all could see that how from a very humble beginning, Sardar Jodh Singh could come to a stage where he understood the importance of education and research in India. With that understanding in mind, today the JIS Group, it can rightly claim to be the largest group, not only in Eastern India, but one of the largest in India as such, who have been continuously striving for the advancement of education and research. I'm extremely happy that the seed which was sown by Sardar Jodh Singh ji, this has now blossomed into huge tree with lots of trunks and lots of branches. So this is a very important occasion on which JIS Group, they have decided to confer the JIS Mahasamman Award to some of the legendary figures who have contributed so significantly in enriching our lives in today's India and as such throughout the globe. We all know the contributions of Pandit Ajoy Chakraborty, who possibly needs no introduction to Indians, a legend, a proverbial figure in the field of Indian classical music. Not only that he is the greatest, one of the greatest exponents of Indian classical music, he is also a great music vocalist, lyricist, composer, and as such, he is guru of Indian classical music. Over last more than 45 years, he has been striving his very best with sincerity, dedication to really make all of us proud. And I must say that he has truly enriched the lives of every Indian who are interested in music. A lot can be talked about Pandit Ajoy Chakraborty, whom I knew for quite some time now. And I can tell you that in the name of Rabindranath, in the words of Rabindranath Tagore, তোমার সৃষ্টির চেয়ে তুমি যে মহান তাই তব জীবনের রথ। সৃষ্টিটাকে অনেক ওপরে হচ্ছেন পণ্ডিত অজয় চক্রবর্তী। He is not only a Padma Bhushan awardee, he has really captured the minds of all the Indians throughout the globe. And on behalf of GIS Group, on this very auspicious occasion of Babuji's 101st birth anniversary, the group really feels honored to confer upon GIS Mahasamman to one of the greatest proverbial legends of our times, Pandit Ajay Chakraborty. I know him that he is not only one of the greatest creators, but he is a great personality and one of the best persons I have ever met. Dr. Vishwadip Mitra, I am proud to be his teacher sometime when he was an undergraduate student at IIT Kharagpur, is another legend who always wants to keep himself not in glory. Dr. Vishwadip Mitra, popularly known as Bobby Mitra, has contributed so much for the development of industries, semiconductor industries, and IT industries in India as possibly one of the youngest CEOs and managing directors of Texas Instruments in Bangalore. When Bobby joined Texas Instruments in Bangalore, I can tell you that there was practically no semiconductor industry in India. So as the head, he guided and he worked with them. And this distinguished alumnus of IIT Kharagpur, he could show what can be done. And today we see, everybody has got mobile phones. And in that mobile phone, making the entire, multifunctional chip board, which made mobile phones accessible to so many people, to all the Indians. So Bobby had tremendous contribution in that. Today, he is a international, head all over the world in the arena of smart manufacturing of Texas Instruments. This is the day of smart manufacturing. The participants, the students, all of you know how the manufacturing sector is gradually changing. And in the days of Industries 4.0, the contribution of Bobby still continues. And in the sense and in the arena of smart manufacturing, he is once again a leading light throughout the globe. So we are once again honored to confer upon GIS Mahasamman in the name of our Guruji, Sardar Jodh Singh, to Dr. Bobby Mitra, whose contributions will ever be remembered by all the Indians whenever he uses any kind of manufactured product or devices in their day-to-day life. I wish both Pandit Ajay Chakraborty and Dr. Bobby Mitra very well and let them continue to serve the humanity as such for a very, very long time ahead. The third recipient, she is also Padma Shri Jhulan Goswami. Incidentally, she could not be present today, but then yesterday we had arranged this program for her. And Jhulan Goswami also has made all of us proud with her legendary contributions in the game of cricket and sports. So I am once again elated to say that on behalf of GIS Group, which is still continuing to evolve and to contribute under the leadership of Sardar Taranjit Singh, a very able son of late Sardar Jodh Singh, Sardar Taranjit Singh and his brothers and the next generation also, where we have got Simarpreet, Aman, and others. All of them together, they are striving very hard to keep the GIS group in the map of research and development in the area of technology in India today. I'm sure that all our students will be inspired today by the great contributions of these two legendary figures. And I wish that they will also, through their acceptance speech, inspire our huge number of students and the participants. Thank you very much on this auspicious and very bright winter morning of 1st February. Thank you.